Hi everybody, we're doing a quick demonstration. This is a Pacall L-Seal or shrink tunnel combination. You see it's mounted on a stainless steel frame. If you're shipping it, it can come off the frame. I don't know if it's bolted. We'll take a look at that in a minute. It's about 7 feet long and this is about 55 inches high as you see it here. Like I said, you can remove this to the frame and carry it that way. Like most of these units, it has a double cradle rollers here to carry your film in. You can buy these little collars on here to position it wherever you want. We're doing a test with a little small box with some metal parts in it that'll be sitting close by that we could use. And come around the front, Jim, I'll show you some of the features on it real fast. Of course, like all of these, it has, this slides in and out depending on the position of your product, the size of your product, whatnot. Has an on-off control here, but the on also has a cool-down function. So if the machine is still hot, it'll continue to run until it reaches a safe temperature and then shut itself off. The small dial here is your dwell control. That's how long the L bar stays in position. That's going to be dependent on the type of film you have, the thickness of film, the size of the package. Has a power indicator. Over here, this is the magnetic hold down. When you pull the bar down, this will hold it in place for the desired length of time. This device here, up and down, moves your table up and down for different positions. You can slide it up and down. You have to loosen it and push it back down or pull it up. So we're just keeping it in the upper position right now. This is the temperature of your tunnel. We're running at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is hot enough that you can barely stick your hand in there for a second or two. We're running the belt relatively slow. We've tried a couple of these already, so let me show you how it does. The operator slides the package in between the film, which is split here. Slide the package into the sealing area. Make sure you have film on both sides. You want to pull it down pretty hard so it locks in place. The burner should poke a small hole in the next package so we don't have one in here. So it may balloon up on us. Now, if you're getting a good seal, it should release from the film right away, and it'll leave your sealed edge here. This will have to be cut away. And a more sophisticated machine, that's constantly being taken away as well. So just drop it in, it'll fall onto the belt. Let's see at this speed and temperature. These things do take a little bit of trial time to see how well they're working, or works best. And there you go. You got a pretty good shrink. Obviously, this isn't the correct film size. Pretty tight on there, but all the functions are working. There's a few things here. You'll see in here there's a power indicator, and you can't see the light in here. It's on in there, but it needs to be replaced. There's a few little adjusting screws. There's an adjusting screw right here which hits this micro switch, which activates this here. This has to be adjusted to the correct position. I'm noticing you have to pull down a little bit hard to get it to catch, but it works fine. We have lots of shrink equipment in our stock, so we do hope to see and hear from you soon. Thanks for joining us today.